Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the Wi-Fi speed test comparison between the IQ7 versus the Mi11X device. So the reason why I'm doing this kind of video again, because just today morning I did upload a video on the 4G data speed test comparison between both phones, and this is a test which I did after 10 days of using this IQ7 device, and I did see a lot of change in terms of the 4G speeds. It got really double and it got really close to Mi11X as well in terms of the speed test for the 4G data. And for that video, plenty of users did ask me another question, that is a Wi-Fi problem got fixed or not. So that is a video which I'll be dedicating right now, and I'll be downloading this game which is a Lords Mobile as well during this process of demonstration. I'll see which phone will be able to download it faster, and that's why I did have the stopwatch ready here. So in this way we'll be able to know which phone has a better Wi-Fi reception as well. That is what I'm trying to do, friends. And during this time of demonstration I did disconnect the Wi-Fi in all other smartphones. So when I'm trying to do in this IQ7, I'll try to disconnect in this Mi11X. When I'm trying to do in Mi11X, I'll try to disconnect in this phone. So even few users, even they did ask me this kind of test to implement. And one more quick note, this low 4G and Wi-Fi speed problem is not there in every IQ7 device. Only in few models of the IQ7 smartphone this kind of low 4G and Wi-Fi speeds they are facing. I'm getting plenty of comments saying that their Wi-Fi is good, and I'm getting same number of comments their Wi-Fi is not good in the IQ7. So it's like 50-50 friend at this point of making this video. This is what happened, and this exact variant I'm trying to use right now in this test for the demonstration purpose. And let me even try to show you the exact software version what I'm trying to run. So this is a software update which I'm trying to run at this point of making this video. And let me try to show you the Wi-Fi network what I'm trying to connect. So this is a Wi-Fi network, as you can see. So TP-Link 8576. So this is the exact Wi-Fi network I'll try to connect even in this Mi11X device as well. So in this way we'll be able to judge the speeds. So first let's check the speed test. So first let's see the speed test, which phone will be able to give us what kind of results. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. So I'm trying to connect to the 4G and I'm trying to do the speed test, and speed test went up to 45 Mbps. As you can see, 45 Mbps, it's maintained consistently. 44, and as you can see, same Wi-Fi network 8576, as you can see, friends, TP-Link 8576. So 45 Mbps, it's finished. So without any delay it went straight, very fast. As you can see, even second time as well, 45. So I'm getting around 40 to 45 at this point, and my Wi-Fi network will vary from I think starting from 40 to 100 Mbps of speeds. So this is what I'll be getting depending on the capability of the phone. I can even reach up to 93, 94 as well. So these are the speeds which I got in the IQ7 device, so which is slightly similar to the same kind of results I'm getting before as well. The same results which I got like before, same results. So there is nothing much improvement at this point I can notice. So I think if I remember the previous results, so you can see this kind of Wi-Fi networks when I connected 42, 45, 40, 43, 39, 38, as you can see 40. So there is not much improvement in terms of the Wi-Fi speeds particularly, but 4G speeds got really improved and better. So right now, as you can see, friends, same kind of score I'm getting till now. So let me try to do the same thing. Let me disconnect the Wi-Fi and connecting the Wi-Fi in this Mi11X device. Let me try to go to the settings and show you exactly I'm trying to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, same Wi-Fi. I'm going back and opening the speed test application. I did disconnect the Wi-Fi in this IQ7. So let me try to select the same server. So sorry for that. So let me try to select the same server which I selected before. I think this is the server which I selected. So even some users, they are really even concerned about this same server try to use. So as you can see, friends, in this Mi11X at this point, as I said, it's trying to reach 94 Mbps in this Mi11X device right now. As you can see, friends, 94.3, and upload is 77 point, and it's going up to 84 upload speed. As you can clearly see, friends, it's a huge difference between both phones in terms of the downloading and uploading. It's I'm not sure what is happening with my unit. I'm saying not with this phone, with my unit and with others few units. That is what I'm trying to say. So this phone is really good, friends. IQ7 I really like. Apart from this one, I think major issue regarding the connectivity, everything is good. So this is just a speed test which I'm doing, and later I'll try to download the game. So before downloading the game, I thought of showing you the actual speeds, what is happening. As you can see, friends, 89 and everything, as you can clearly see here, 89 and 94 and 45 and 39. As you can see clearly how much difference it's there between both. It's so huge difference. So now let's try by downloading this game, which is a Lords Mobile in both phones, and this game size is of I think close to 300 MB. So let's see friends which phone will be able to download the game faster. So let's try first in the MI Linux device. So it is a MI Linux smartphone, so which I connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see here, same Wi-Fi network I'm trying to connect right now, so not any other network. Let me try to click start, and when it started to installing, so then I'll try to click the stopwatch. So let me try to do that. So now it's pending. As you can see, still it's now it's started, as you can see here. So right now I'm getting about 30, I think 40% already got filled and 11 Mbps. Let me try to show you the Wi-Fi network, same Wi-Fi network 8576, and you can see friends 11 Mbps, 11.6, 10 Mbps, 10.7. I'm trying to keep my finger on the stopwatch as well. 89%, 10 Mbps, 96%, as you can see here. So it's done, I think. As you can see friends, it took about 33 seconds. So overall it took 35 seconds to completely download and install the Lords Mobile in this phone, which is a 300 MB, more than 300 MB friends, in this MI Linux device using the same Wi-Fi network. So let me try to disconnect this Wi-Fi network 8576, and now let me try to connect the Wi-Fi network in this IQ7 device. So let's see how much time the IQ7 will be taking to download this Lords Mobile. So within 33 seconds the complete game got downloaded friends. That's really amazing. So let me try to click reset the stopwatch, and let's see how much time the IQ7 needs to download. So once it's installing, I'll try to click the stopwatch, pending. Yes, it started the exact. So let me try to bring the phone close to the camera. So right now you can see it's 5 Mbps, and I connected the same Wi-Fi network, as you can see friends, 8576. So there is no other router at this point in my close to my room. So download speeds you are getting up to 5 Mbps sometimes, 4 Mbps, 5.7 Mbps, as you can see. But the download speeds in this phone are 10 Mbps. So it's exactly kind of double. So even though if you do the browsing test or download test, so definitely the MI Linux has got slightly better advantage. As I said, this problem will happen only with a few IQ7 devices friends. So that is what I'm observing in my comments. So saying that why IQ7 is not able to perform good in the connectivity. I'm getting the very Wi-Fi slow speeds. So a lot of users they did write the comments on this regarding the Wi-Fi and the 4G particularly on this phone. So right now it's about to finish, 99%. Let me need to click 99%. As 99%, I think I got about 1 minute only, but still I'm trying to wait for the complete to finish and installing. So this is what I'm trying to wait. When I see the installing, so that means the complete file is downloaded. So that is what I'm waiting. As you can see friends, this much of time it has been took in this IQ7 device at this point with the same Wi-Fi network. So same Wi-Fi network I connected, and it took about 1 minute 14 seconds and 33 seconds in this MI Linux device. And there is another question. If you connect to the both phones to the Wi-Fi network, and can you try to do the speed test at same time? So which phone will be able to grab more? So that is another good question which was asked by a few of the subscribers. So let me try to do even that thing in this entire video, so you'll be able to understand which phone will be able to grab most of the Wi-Fi. So MI Linux and IQ7 both same Wi-Fi network. So I'm trying to show you again and again the Wi-Fi network same. So just to make sure that you know. So right now I clicked at same time friends. Same time I clicked, and let's see which phone will be able to take most of the Wi-Fi. And at this point the MI Linux is taking most of the Wi-Fi with 53 Mbps of speeds, as you can see. 53, 55, 60 Mbps of speeds. And the upload speeds are good. I think upload speeds are good in the IQ7 device particularly. Even when I did the morning 4G data speeds, I did find the upload speed slightly better on the IQ7 device. As you can see friends, right now the Wi-Fi speeds when you try to do in same time, this is the result which we got. And now let me try to download the game at same time. Let's see what will happen. I'm trying to download the game at same time and testing which phone will be able to download faster. That is what I'm trying to see. So two phones I clicked at same time, and two phones first started in this phone, and you'll be able to see the performance, how it's going, percentage and the stopwatch timing. As you can see friends, I will need to bring it closer so you will be able to see the speeds on the notification. 4 Mbps I'm getting and 3 Mbps. So 34% in the MI Linux device. So 42% and 20%, and you can see the timing as well in the background. So this is a situation in the same time I'm trying to download and you're getting double speeds, sometimes even triple speeds in this MI Linux device. So I'm not sure friends whether this is a problem with the software or with my unit, but I'll just wait for the next update to fix this kind of connectivity issue in my unit and even in most of the other units as well, what other users are facing. So this is a quick, and as you can see right now the MI Linux is close to 99% and still the 50% is not reached in this IQ7. It's downloaded and installed as well in the MI Linux device right now, as you can see. So this is a quick comparison friends between both phones, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, so don't hesitate to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post a video on that particular topic. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.